Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell an idea, happiness, harmony, togetherness.
Okay, so we're gonna start by first making the background animation. For this, we're going to use this red background. All the images and everything that we use here, you're gonna get in the description, so do check it out. So now I'm going to keep it for 10 seconds, and I'm gonna use this wavy animation. I made this in CapCut. If you wanna know how I made this, do let me know in the comments. So I'm going to use the blending options. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Now I'm gonna add a keyframe here, position and size, and another keyframe here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to zoom out a little, and then I'm going to make it 120. Yeah, 120 looks good. Okay, and this one I'm going to keep it till here, and then I'm going to go few seconds. Yeah, I'm going to add another keyframe here, and I'm going to take this up till here. Okay, and another keyframe here. Yeah, all the way here to here. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna look. Okay, so I'm going to export it now. Okay, so now to the main clip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a black background. So I'm going to add this logo here, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, and also I'm going to use this one. I made this, I just cut it out in Photoshop. You can also do it very easily. So now I'm going to use the mask tool here. I'm going to use the horizon tool. So just follow all the instructions that I just do. Keep a keyframe here and go a few seconds. Okay, a few more I guess. Yeah, that should be good. And just take a keyframe till here, and yeah, so this is how it's gonna look. Okay, now we're also going to add the clip that we just made. This is the clip, so we're gonna add in this layer just behind Coca-Cola. So this is how it's gonna look.
Coca-Cola.
Okay, I think it looks decent.
Coca-Cola.
If it's too fast, you can also slow it down by going to speed, and I'm just going to reduce a bit. Yeah, this is how it's going to look.
Coca-Cola spend it.
And then we're going to go to effects. I'm going to add this black noise in the background, and I'm just going to reduce the speed a bit. Yeah,
Coca-Cola spend it.
so we're going to use the fade out animation for both clips.
Coca-Cola spend it.
Now for the next clip, I'm going to use $100 bill, and I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to select the color green because we're going to use chroma here, green, and we're also going to use stroke, so we'll select white color for the stroke, but we want thickness like around 10. 10 looks decent, I think so. Yeah, now we'll also select background, so now we're going to use this wave in the background. This is how it's going to look. That's not very perfect. I think here's another clip. Just cover everything else. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look. But if you don't want too much of wave around here, so you can just do this and just check it out. So,
Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell an idea, happiness, harmony, togetherness.
So this is what I could make in around 20 minutes. You can make much better if you have more time. And so this video was just to give you an idea how you can make your own effects and animations. And if you want to see more such videos, do let me know in the comments what should I make my next video on. Thank you so much.